Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and subscribe to my channel. If not so, just do it now. Guys, today I'm going to unboxing this trimmer. Here you can see this is a Geemy brand trimmer. So first I will unboxing this trimmer and show you the trimmer. Then I will discuss about the product quality. You will find this product link in this video description. So let's start the video. So friends, here is the Geemy brand trimmer, professional hair clipper. The model of this trimmer is GM6008. This is a cordless and including the cord. High performance stainless steel blade. Adjustable taper control cutting length. LCD display show battery capacity percent. Built-in 2000 mAh battery, charging time 3 to 4 hours and working time 4 to 5 hours. You will find the product link in this video description. The price of this trimmer is only $20.98. The seller sent me the product very quickly. So at the back side, if I show you, here you can see some details about the trimmer. Here is battery capacity, lithium ion 2000 mAh battery. This is a cordless and including cord. With this box you will get 3, 6, 10, 13 mm space comb, one oil bottle, one cleaning brush and a charging adapter. On this side, here you can see this is made in China. And this side is stainless steel chrome plastic segment. Taper lever, multi-cut clipper only, ultimate power motor and special safety power supply cord. So now I'm going to open this box. Okay, here you can see all accessories. Inside this box, one user manual. Here is the trimmer, I keep this side. Here is the charging adapter. The length of this cable around 140 plus centimeter. The input power of this adapter is AC 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 Hz. Output volt 5 volt and it's made in China. Okay, here is one cleaning brush, one oil bottle, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spacing comb. So I keep this side. Now here is the trimmer. The body of this trimmer made with plastic. The finishing quality of this trimmer is really good. This side charging port. You can also use this trimmer directly connect with electricity. Here is the blade of this trimmer, nice and sharp. Here is power on off switch. You can adjust the blade with this taper lever. It's really so easy to adjust. At the back side of this trimmer, brand name, model number, input volt, charging time, and it's made in China. Here is the power LCD display. Now if I run this trimmer, here you can see blade is running. I can adjust the blade with this lever. It is really easy to adjust. Sound and vibration are good. Also the trimmer is really handy. Here you can see the trimmer current battery percentage is showing. Now if I connect this trimmer with electricity, here you can see it's charging, and also charging percentage is showing. I can also use this trimmer directly connect with electricity. Now I like to attach a spacing comb at this trimmer. So here is all spacing comb. Before add spacing comb, I like to show you all spacing comb size. Sorry. This is the number 1, 3 mm. This is the number 2, 6 mm. This is the number 3, 10 mm. And this is the number 4, 13 mm. The spacing comb made with plastic, but it is really flexible. So if you like to add this spacing comb at this trimmer, then you need to add like this. Here you can see it is attached. It is really easy to attach it. Now if you like to detach a spacing comb, then just press here and it is detached. Same way you can add other spacing comb at this trimmer. Just place the spacing comb and push, and it is attached. In this way you can add a spacing comb. In my opinion, this is a really good trimmer, both professional and personal. So that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and got some information about this trimmer. You'll find this product link in this video description. You'll get a discount if you buy this product from that link. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. I'll try my best to give your comments reply. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.